Hello friends, welcome to Sana's Kitchen. Myself Ritvika. Today I am going to make mango ice cream with just 3 ingredients. First, into a large bowl add in 1 cup of whipping cream. Beat it until stiff peaks appear. Once stiff peaks are formed, add in half cup mango puree. Also add in 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, half teaspoon vanilla essence. Beat it until everything gets well combined. Now add in 2 to 3 drops of yellow food color. Beat it until the color gets combined. Mix well. Transfer the ice cream mixture onto an airtight container. Level it. Cover and freeze the ice cream for 8 hours or until the ice cream gets completely set. That's it. Mango ice cream is ready. Do give this recipe a try. If you like the recipe, then subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.